What's up, everybody? Earl here from MGMClassicCars.com. I got a super treat for you. 1970 Monte Carlo SS 454 big block TH400 trans, power steering, power brakes, sitting on its 15-inch rally wheels. This thing is real nice. We're going to go through this puppy. It's one of my favorite cars. You don't see many of these SS 454 Monte Carlos. It's a real treat. Come check it out with me. Look at this baby. All the panels, all original. Look at that stance. That's an A-body car. Chevy Monte Carlo. Graphite metallic, black top, straight. There, how's that for a better look? Nice. Well, should I say it? She's got a great ass.
It's a beautiful car.
Look at that baby. Look at that. Quarters are great. Let me get back a little bit. That's nice. Got your Cooper radial tires on there. All your chrome is in excellent condition up front. All your moldings around your lights, everything is working properly. Turn signals, lights, done right. Air conditioning's working, heater's working. What a beautiful car. Lines up great on the hood, just the way it should. The right gaps all the way in. All your badging's great. All your glass around the car is good. Wipers are functional and working. Clean. There she is. 454 SS Monte Carlo. Your fender's in good shape. Gaps out great in the front door. And a little tiny bit of a touch-up on the bottom there, but that's it. Nothing bad. Quarter to the door is great. No paint flaws. Bottom sill is good. Rear quarter is great. All the way throughout. Rear chrome bumpers in good shape. Dual exhaust, which sounds great. Trunk gaps the way it should. All the way on the bottom. Both sides. Good gaps, that's what I like. Paint shines well. Comes with a car cover, spare tire and jack. Original quarters. All your molding throughout the whole entire car, all your weather stripping is good. All done right. Fresh, you don't have to do anything about that. This is a nice turnkey car. Your black top's in good shape. Really breaks it up nicely. No stories. All the chrome around the windows. All your glass is good. All your weather stripping's good. Seatbelt's intact. Your rear deck is good. Tight headliner, sun visor's intact. Door panels are great. Look at this. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Good stuff all the way through. Weather stripping, great. All right, it's a nice car so far. Door panel's nice. Again, good stuff. Body by Fisher. Passenger seat good, seatbelt's intact. Dashboard is okay. You got a tiny little crack here. The rest of it's in great shape. air conditioning, upgraded gauges, radio's working, all your gauges are working. It's a rear defroster car from the factory. Nice stuff. I'm gonna put you down for a second. I want to pop this hood, show you what's underneath this beauty. Bada boom, bada bang. Here we go. 454 TH400 trans, factory air conditioned car, power brakes, power steering. This thing runs great. I just got done driving it. We're gonna go for another ride. Nice and clean underneath. Aluminum radiator, nice. All your hoses, belts are in good shape. Nothing to talk about, everything's fine. This thing starts up great. It's got MSD in there. It's a nice car. Clean, clean, clean. All right, time for the fun part. One pump. There you go, one pump jump. Hang on, I gotta straighten it. It's gonna drive me crazy. That's better. Nice little cam in there. Good stuff. MGMClassicCars.com. Good stuff. All right. Monte Carlo. Horn works. 14,058 miles shown on the odometer. Oh my God, this is a pleasure. With some balls. It's the way I like it. Nice and easy. Oh yeah, she wants to run. She wants to run. All right, brakes good. Good solid braking. Posi traction, 12-bolt rear end. Yeah. Stop straight. Yeah, this is nice. No funky noises, just did a hard turn. Oh yeah. Nice. Stops great, performs good, handles well, tight. Like I said, no crazy noises. It's a nice car. So, if one of you lucky folks want this thing and need some financing, and your score is anywhere from a 639 to a 739, please go to my website, mgmclassiccars.com. Fill out the application. 10% down minimum, up to 84 months, good rates. If you are a 740 and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down, up to 84 months, good rates, approval within 24 hours or less. We've got 120 of these beautiful cars in stock, ready for immediate delivery. All our description, pricing, video, and photos are online for your convenience, for easy shopping. We ship all over the United States, bonded and insured, enclosed and open. Yeah! So if you have any questions on any of our cars or on shipping, you could call me or text me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois. Yeah! That's fun. Open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. You can text me or call me and I'll get you in at 773-600-0919. Please, if you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook, tell your friends, tell everybody. Come join the party. Thanks for spending some time with me on this 1970 Monte Carlo SS Big Block 454. You're going to love it when you get it home. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for spending a few with me.